Hi, I'm Mark Tewart, and I'd like for you to join me in downtown Cincinnati, November 12th and 13th for my High Performance Leadership and Management Workshop. You cannot have a great dealership without great leadership and great management processes. We're going to go into a very deep dive in this workshop about those things to take your dealership to a whole nother level. This is going to be completely educational, and it will not be a pitch fest. Matter of fact, it's a pitch-free zone. Nobody's selling you anything. It's all about you, not about us. It's going to be at a very unique and cool place called the Moorline Lager House in the Beer Baron Hall. Very special place. It's right across from the Great American Ballpark where the Cincinnati Reds play, and it's in the Banks Entertainment District. Right next door is the AC Hotel. It's from Marriott, and I have arranged for deeply discounted group rates for anybody attending this workshop. I'm going to go into a very, very deep dive. Best practices, what to do, what not to do, and ideas that I have seen from the best and what I've seen for people not doing so well. Also at the workshop, I'm going to have 4 guest presenters, experts in their own right on what they do. First up, I'm going to have John Anderson, who is a very successful general manager. He is from the company called Lot Pop, specializing in your pre-owned inventory, how to get more out of it, how to make more money with it, how to digitally advertise it, online, offline, what do you do, what's the way to price it, all the things that you need to know to sell more, make more, do better with your pre-owned inventory. Very important. And we're also going to have Jason Grace from Grace & Company, and he's going to talk to you about direct mail. Yes, in the digital age, direct mail is doing really well, and it drives traffic. He's going to talk about tips and ideas on how you get more traffic, everything to look for if you hire a vendor, things that you should know to keep yourself from maybe getting ripped off or not getting the highest ROI that you should. It's going to be very informative. Number 3, I'm also going to have a dear friend of mine by the name of Tim Marvel. He's going to talk to you about service, sales, service process. How do you integrate your sales and service department to get more out of both? How to data mine and other things that you'll want to know in this day and age. And last but not least, another dear friend of mine, Stacy Ellison. I call her the CRM queen. She's going to talk to you about best practices and anything you want to know about CRM, BDC, and internet. What makes this workshop different? It is not a conference. It's deep dives. Instead of 45 minutes of a pitch fest with somebody talking to you, it's an engagement interaction where it's all about education and about you, not about us. I want you to join me to take your dealership to another level. Once again, November 12th and 13th, Cincinnati, Ohio. Please go to Tewart.com/register, Tewart.com/register to register, get your group hotel rates, and make sure you join us November 12th and 13th in downtown Cincinnati. I look forward to seeing you there.